Hey, it's Faye. First of all, I just want to thank you guys so much for supporting my small business boutique. We've already sold out of so many pieces and restocked already that also sold out. I'm working on something very special to launch soon, so hopefully that works out. Also, a huge shout out for those who came on my TikTok live, my first one ever. You guys showed so much support. By the time you're watching this, I'm most likely live on TikTok packing your orders, so make sure to stop by after you watch this video. It's like the old days. We talked about K-pop, K-beauty, drama, tea. This is the Harper sweater. We only have a few left in stock, so make sure you grab it. So cute and cozy. One more thing before we jump into this new Amazon rave. Holy crap, it's like been going around if you've been on TikTok or Instagram. As a way to celebrate Christmas together, it's a tradition to find yourself some ugly Christmas sweaters. Look how cute the sleeves are. It's crochet on this side and a normal Christmas sleeve on this side. I love. YESSTYLE is having a little promo right now, offering 12% to my subscribers if you order a minimum of $99 USD. It's only valid for 1 week, so make sure you use my code to get these cute Christmas sweaters. I got me and Al matching ones. Got him this navy one that's super cute. Look at this. It's a stocking. What kind of girlfriend would I be if I didn't get myself one to match him? I got myself the white one. This stocking pocket with a snowman. Very thick and heavy. I'm so excited. Christmas joy. So my sister shared with me this video from a Super Ashley 127 where she was trying on these dresses from Poppy Lush, and they're expensive. One was like 90 bucks. But listen, Linda, apparently these have been going around online because they have body shape built into these dresses. Did I hear body shape? Did I hear give me a new body? So I'm gonna try these on to save you some time to see if they actually do a little bit of body shifting. So I proceeded with a maxi long sleeve one, a colorful one. I don't know why I went with orange. A very cute spaghetti strap, also like a bodycon maxi long dress. Give me length, give me legs. This is how my body currently looks. I got this in size large. This is the body suit underneath. It snags onto your body and then you just cover it up with this maxi. Not only did the bodycon sell me, but then the non-compressive butt feature. This apparently gives you a peach butt. You guys know how I feel about peach butts. Okay, as you can see, it looks like this underneath and it's actually pretty stretchy. So this is the shape lifting part underneath. Okay, she looks athletic. So this built-in shapewear is pretty favorable for those who have heavier thighs because it does help contour that area. And also, tummy tuck. Stop. I just realized there's a pee hole. So you don't have to wear underwear. There's a pee hole, guys. So you can literally just squat. Okay, I'm gonna put the rest of the dress on. Oops. So these straps are adjustable to your short. Built-in body shape apparently is sweat absorbent, stretchy, skin friendly. There's actually padding within this top. You can go braless, pantyless, like wow. Now I'm gonna pull down the dress. How do we feel? What? Hold on. Is it giving me curves, hips? No freaking way. It is so comfy, you guys. Oh my god. Shut up. This freaking dress is all ribbing. Even my back fat looks good and sucked in. I'm in such disbelief I have to show my sister because she hooked me on this. You remember those dresses you told me to buy? Look. Wow. Look at. Wow. I look like I have a little booty. A little baby. Oh my god. Look at this. You hear the shapewear. I'm so impressed right now, I don't know what to say. Apparently this model fabric is made with regenerative plants, less chemicals, and apparently the model fabric is biodegradable. Low-key have to do more research to be sold on that. It does seem like this brand is very confident in what they sell. I mean, for a bodycon dress like this, normally you, whoever, would probably gravitate towards wearing shapewear underneath anyway. The number one issue I have with that is one, it makes me feel a little thicker because the shapewear underneath is so thick, and then two, the rolling of the back fat. It just gets so clumped right here. It's stuck. However, with this, you don't experience that. It's like completely smooth and it just like stops on its own. And when you really want to party, just oh, I didn't think I'll like it this much, but so far so good. So same concept with this orange one. As you lift it up from the bottom, you get shapewear. It also has a padding on your chesty besties. I'm pretty sure I got a size large in this one too. This one feels a little tighter. Once again, we do have a urine hole. We are covered. We have insurance. I wasn't sure how I was gonna feel about this orange color, but I kind of like it. Okay, so once again, we have the built-in body shape underneath, and it attaches to the dress, like all the way to like the tippy top. Pull it down. How do we feel? Ooh, I feel like you can see a little bit more with this one. Yeah, no wonder you don't want to wear underwear. You could totally see my underwear underneath this. I could see why the blog black flatters me more. You could totally see the fupa. I don't love it, but I don't hate it. The color is just so nice. I really like this orange. It's a little bit more tight, so you do see a little bit of that bulging, which kind of defeats everything I just said. Actually, I like. You just really have to pull down the bodysuit underneath, so it just creates more of that flawless, seamless look. I think I'm just fixating on all my insecurities, but for the most part, like, it flatters my body. I mean, look at the size. One thing I am noticing about the strap, they tend to roll off like that. So I feel like I have to constantly push them towards my neck. It's not a huge issue where it feels like it's slipping off my shoulders. Now that I would have been like, I think it's an appropriate length for me. I think I'm just so fixated on my tummy right now. Okay, if you have a fupa, it's gonna be a little bit obvious, blatantly obvious. I love the color, I love the length on me, and I love that it contours my shape. It kind of carves me out. I think if I got this in black, I would feel differently. You can choose your colors. Okay, so this is the last one. I got this also in large, and this is the one that Miss Ashley wore. I am really excited to try something more long sleeve. Pretty much the same. Yeah, they all go up to your thigh. They have a little urine escape. If it helps, once again, the padding for the chesty besties are within the body shape itself. Right in the center, you do see a bit of tummy control where it's a little thicker in fabric. This one's a little bit more tough to get in. Interesting. It's like mesh, and then it has more of this opaque fabric. This dress just feels way more thick. Guys, I'm telling you something with the black. It literally plumps up my ass to make it look like so much more rounder. Let's try sitting, actually. Not a bad idea. Ooh, it's comf. How's it looking from the side? I'm just not gonna worry about it rolling off on its own. There's so much security knowing that it's attached to my dress. If it's going down, all of this is going down. So if my dress is staying up, it's gonna stay up. I don't know if the large is necessarily just as I was saying before, I rudely interrupted myself. I'm not sure if the size large refers to just the body shape or the dress as a whole. So if you get a small, maybe your dress might be shorter in length. I do like the style that this is supposed to be on the more like longer, elegant look. You want to see how long it is? Oh, you can't even tell. Way long. I'm good. I'm good. Parkour. And the sleeves are actually pretty loose on my arms, which feel really nice. So stretchy and non-itchy. You can do this. Like, come on. I approve this message. For my stubbier, shorter girls like myself who has a lot of fupa to work with, I highly recommend these dresses. Like, I have never felt comfortable in bodycon dresses, but put me in one of these, I'm ready. Let me know what else you guys would like me to review. Also for Vlogmas this year, I'm gonna be vlogging once a week with my boyfriend, and we're gonna be posting it on here. Anyway, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to like. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside